All right, I wanted to give a demo on how using these view shared components across multiple views, groups, and project lists can help us implement features across all the lists more easily, and then also implement more like interactive features. Um, so yeah, at the moment we have these shared view components on your work groups, your work projects, um, admin area projects, admin area groups. These two are still behind feature flags. We're going to release them in the next milestone. And then organization groups and projects. And this is also behind a feature flag. Um, so I wrote some code before. I'm going to do two little demos. So I'll just apply this patch. So this first one, we're going to add um, we are going to add a quick action for copying the group or project ID. And we actually have an issue to implement this at some point. So I just applied that patch. Um, there we go. So yeah, we changed 5 files. It's really not that much code. Basically, we're adding an action, and then we're saying telling it to copy the group ID when clicked, and then we're saying show a toast after it's clicked. Um, and now this should show on all the views. So if we go here, now we have a copy ID action. Click that. It says group ID copied to clipboard. Now we're on a project list. Again, we have the copy ID, project ID copied, and then in the admin area, we have it. The admin area groups, we have it, and then organization groups and projects. So yeah, by changing 5 files, we can add it to every single view pretty easily. So that's the first demo. And then I'm going to do a second demo, so I'll discard all these. And I have another patch. So this one's more of a proof of concept. It doesn't actually like do anything at the moment, but so this is kind of demonstrating how we could add bulk editing. We have something similar in on like the issue lists. So being able to bulk edit groups and projects by you could like delete them, archive them, change the name, that type of thing. So let me apply that. Oops. Let me apply this patch. Um, so this one has a little bit more code, but um, the main code is in. So we have this list item component that's used by groups and projects as like the base layout. Um, so we can add the checkbox here, and then it can be used for groups and projects. Um, so yeah, that's kind of like where the root of the code changes. So then let me refresh these. There we go. It's GTK, so it's a little slow sometimes. Okay, so yeah, now there's a bulk edit button. If you click that, we could get these like check boxes next to it. Um, and then if you unclick it, you could hide it. And then, yeah, we would have to build a little bit more UI to like actually have an action to do. I think on the issue list, they do a drawer or something like that. Um, but yeah, we can add it to all the lists by just implementing it in one place. So that's another example of something that we could do in the future with these new shared view components.